All right, now that I have the outside of my drawing done, I am ready to assemble. So I'm going to take the outside of the house. I am going to glue it to one side at a time. I'm going to put glue on the outside of that, making sure again it's the right way up. I've got my floor not on the floor, not on the ceiling. Flip it over, add another layer of glue to this side. Attach the other side of the outside of the house. Now to add my roof, I'm going to, remember that 1/2 inch? Anything you draw above that 1/2 inch will be covered by the roof. I made that mistake in my other examples. Just be mindful of it. Okay, I'm going to add a strip of glue about that 2-inch mark. Put my roof on one side. I'm going to fold it over. If you have some extra, looks like I didn't do a good job measuring. So if you add another strip of glue, it should attach. Here's an example here. Okay. And then once everything's attached and you open up, you have your house. Okay. So I can't wait to see what you come up with. Please take pictures, take videos, and upload them on Class Dojo so we can see your beautiful artwork. Feel free to add people and designs. Look at patterns. All right. Thank you. Bye.